Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at creating a half circle here in Illustrator. So I'm going to start off with the ellipse tool. I'm just going to drag out a circle by holding the shift key. As I drag out my circle, let's change the color of this. And let's just increase the stroke because that's going to be important for what we're doing. You can easily change that by going to stroke options and aligning the stroke to the center, the inside, which I have here, or the outside. But right now we're interested in creating a half circle. So what I'm going to do is make an additional copy of this circle. Now one way of creating a half circle is to get rid of this anchor point here. So I'm going to the direct selection tool here. I'm just going to click on this one anchor point. It's selected, it's filled. You'll see that the others are not selected. If I just press the delete key, I get half a circle, but you'll see that I don't have a stroke along this line, so it's not actually a closed shape. I would need to close it. Now I can close it by choosing Object, Path, and then Join, and that will join the edges up. There's another method that you can use, and that is using a rectangle to cut the piece away. So I'm going to the rectangle tool. I'm just going to line up using the smart guides here and draw a rectangle over the circle. So if we just don't want to lose my positioning here, but I'm just going to remove the fill from this so you can see that we've got a rectangle over the top of a circle. Selecting both of these and going to the Pathfinder panel, which you can get to by choosing Window and then Pathfinder, we can just click here on minus front. Because I drew the rectangle secondly, it's the front object, and I can just subtract it by just clicking here, and I get a filled half circle. So whichever method you use, whether you simply remove an anchor point and then join things up if you want a stroke around them, or if you go ahead and just remove half of the circle using a rectangle, what you're going to end up with is exactly the same shape. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results, then you'll love my Skillshare content. I'm a Skillshare top teacher. I have hundreds of short courses on Skillshare that you can access, along with thousands of other great courses, all for the price of a single subscription. If you're interested, there's a Skillshare coupon for you in the description below to use to sign up. Using this coupon benefits me as a creator, and it helps me continue to make free content available here for you also on YouTube. Thank you for joining me for this video tutorial. On the screen now, you'll see a video that I've hand-picked for you. If you enjoyed the video you've just watched, I know that you're going to really enjoy the one I've picked for you to watch next.